All right. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys still hear me and stuff? Great. Okay. Beautiful. All right. Great. Sorry, I just had to. Yeah, Redis is very simple. I mean, in an essence, right? Redis is very simple. It's just a caching database, right? So, I mean, fundamentally, it's simple. And then yeah, it can get more complicated. How are you guys doing? I've been out with Sako. We had some beers and some food. So I just came a few minutes ago. Been with him in some pub for like 4 hours. Had a great time. And now we're just here hacking away with you guys. Give me 1 second here. Before we get started, give me a moment. Whew. Give me a second. I just need to collect my brain. Give me 2 seconds. Come on, what is this crap, man? No, that's not what I wanted. That's not what I wanted. Give me a second. Just configuring one thing on my phone very quickly. Yeah, it's been raining here in Copenhagen as well. It's been pretty shitty weather, actually, to be honest. So yeah, same thing kind of here, yeah. Oh, come on, man. 1 moment. No raining here. Interesting. All right. Great. So what I want to do today, basically, off stream, I did some work today. Not super happy with some of the stuff, but I'll finish it another time. So what I want to do today, I want to try and use Android Studio and try to kind of run the app that we can bundle locally now. So I want to start preparing basically for pushing it now to production on Android Store, right? Leo, I didn't ask you, did you try to install the app on your Android phone? You never got back to me. You must be able to find it. I'm 100% sure. You must be able to find it. I mean, did you accept the thing? Ryan, good evening, buddy. Haven't seen you in a while. Right now, we're trying to push to Android Store. The next week, it's going to be iOS. That's why I need to set up this, because I also have an iPhone 14. So I need to set up this emulator now so we can actually test. We can test on Android. Trust Gamers, good evening, my friend. How are you? Why the fuck is this crap here, man? Like on the side. Jesus Christ. It's pissing me fucking off, man. Why would I set up a Mac? I mean, we're talking about iPhone. I don't need to have a Mac. Why would I need that? We were not develop anything iOS. We're pushing progressive web app to those things. Have you been following the recent streams, Jace? I guess you haven't been here. Maybe that's why. Nexus 6. Let's try something. I don't actually care. So let's set up this device. Got it. Yeah, we're not developing native apps. We're gonna push our existing app as a native app, as a progressive web app. Yeah, Reps, I've been out with Sako. We had some beers, so that's why. Generate package. Okay, so how do we do this? Generate Android package, package ID, download package. Is it really going to do this? Give me a second. I just want to see what is this going to do now. That's great, tech nerd. That's good. That's the best way to learn as well, is to build things. So that's amazing. Let me just see. Give me 2 seconds. I want to see what is this going to generate. Otherwise, we're going to use... let's go to CDF. What was it? Bubble wrap build. Bubble wrap help. So how we were doing this actually? Generates an Android APK from a TVA project. Okay. Can I say build? So we're just continuing. I want to push this app to the Android store, right? So TVA manifest JSON. Okay. Oh, okay. So here's the package. Interesting. So this generated a package for us. That's great. So we don't need. So if I actually open this Android Studio now, give me 1 moment. Where the fuck is this crap, man? Let's move it here. So how can I like run this app in my simulator? Because I don't have an Android phone here. I just have a iOS. AMX, good evening, my friend. How are you? And I think, wait, I most likely need to extract this, right? Yeah. Need to extract that crap. Yeah, beautiful. And I think, was it A, B that I, so how do I run this? I want to, okay, let's run this virtual device. What I'm doing today is I just want to, this whole week we're spending on deploying our app to Android store and then to iOS store next week. So we're getting step by step closer to having something that we are willing to put in production in Android store. In simple words, we are pushing our progressive web app to both Android and iOS stores. Thoughts about maybe learning C# and I mean, whatever you learn is good, right? If you want to build websites, choose a stack, right? And that's pretty much it, right? So in simple words, right? Doesn't matter. Like learn some language for sure, right? And that's it. It can be, you know, whatever you want, right? No, not at all. Not the mobile dev. I'm just trying to run. We are basically turning our own application into. Nice. It failed. It failed with something. So what is happening? Okay. Oh, there we go. Beautiful. Okay. So beautiful. Wait, is this production? This is production, right? Okay. So we're just now looking how this is going to actually look once we deploy it to the iOS store. I don't know if the emulator is to be fully trusted, but let's see. Yeah, something feels a bit off with this emulator. I don't think that the scrolling works. Yeah, so it's probably, yeah, okay, I see. Yeah, it does work. It's just you need to do it with your thumb, right? So that's good. It does miss some backgrounds here. I don't have the Android phone. I have iOS. My wife has an iOS phone, right? But she's back there with some family in the living room. I don't want to. And I do actually have an old Android phone somewhere. I just couldn't find it, but I'm going to find it for the next stream so we can test. Okay, so this is how it looks like. This is how the icon looks like shit. That's what I don't like. But the app pretty much looks fine, just like on desktop, so that's good. It takes the full screen. It has the purple background there. I like that. That's good. It's very distinct, so you can see when you're using it. That's great. Yeah, obviously, I'm not sure if this emulator is kind of failing to emulate something properly, right? If you guys can give me your emails, obviously I'm going to hide. You can send them to Discord and me. I'm going to invite you to this testing app that I deployed a couple of days ago. So if you guys want to actually be in this testing phase, I think you can answer that question yourself in 2 seconds if you think about it. Unless you're going to sit and build a native app for me, then absolutely. So if somebody wants to test this on their phones, give me your emails and I will, yeah. Shit. If you want to, give it a shot on your phone, be one of the first ones to test it, send me your email on, not iOS yet. iOS we haven't done yet. We need to deploy that separately. So if you have an Android phone and you want to test, just send me your email. And it's just, okay, so it's like almost like, but I think this emulator is kind of failing to emulate this properly, right? Okay, wait, I'm just going to hide my screen so I don't share private data with you guys. So someone has sent me the... Okay, let me just invite. Okay, anyone else? Let's see if did anyone else ping me on Discord. Message requests. All right, one person. Great, save. Beautiful. In this, just private message me. I mean, it's up to you. You can also send, if you don't care, you can send your email here as well. It's really up to you. I mean, I don't give a shit. All of you know my email. It's hi@programmernet. So if you don't want to expose email to others, send it on the private message. Otherwise, just paste it here, right? So. Amazing. Okay. I'm just going to invite few people to we're just trying to deploy the Android app, right? And I'm just going to invite some of you who have Android phones and who want to have those first versions on the app on your phone. I'm just inviting some of you who are willing to share. Ah, beautiful. More people. Great. Thank you very much, everybody. Super useful. And then I'm going to redeploy the latest version of the progressive web app I have. So bear with me for a moment. Elias, good evening, my friend. I did deploy it on the Android already a couple of days ago, and we're going to deploy it now again, right? Yeah, whoever wants me to invite you, just send me your email. I'm going to do that right away, right? Okay. Let me switch to main here. Thank you everybody for the follows. So so I'm still, all of us are still, it should be available to those that I've just added to the emails to, right? So, okay, so let's upload the new version. So the new version is in downloads, pnet, AAB. So let's deploy the new version. So I'm deploying this latest thing just so we're in the testing phase now. Okay, so it doesn't really like this. Change signing key. All right, give me 1 second. Bubble wrap build. Ah, okay, wait a minute. So it was like this, right? I see. Give me a second. So let's say cd documents, no. Okay, so let's say here, Android test. Let's say bubble wrap. Let's see if this is going to work. Unexpected JSON. So it's not there. Where is my manifest? Give me 2 seconds. So it's this one. All right, 1 sec. So let me generate a new one, and I'm going to deploy a new version, and then you guys start testing. Programmer network, URL path, yes. Short name, yes. Application ID, yes. Starting version for the 1.1. invalid integer provided. So let's say 1 again. Standalone, full screen, portrait, status bar color. Yes, all good. This is all from the, that's all correct. Yes, yes. No. Request geolocation permissions, no. Key store location, I guess, whatever. Key name, Android, okay. So let's try to generate that. Do we want to create one? An existing key store could be found. Could not be found. Yes. First and last name, Alexander, GRBIC. Organization, engineering. Company name, programmer network, even though country, Denmark. Password, I'll never tell you my password, 123. Infinite, we're just going to, we're just deploying the app to Android Store, our progressive web app. And that's pretty much it, yes. TVA, app, did it generate the app, source, Java? What the fuck is this, man? Where's the actual thing that I need? Okay, so now we could say bubble wrap build, I guess. No, it's not Java. We're just building our progressive web app for Android Store. We're pushing web applications wrapped in a progressive web app to Android. The next week, once this is done, we're gonna push it to Android to iOS Store. It's one code base for all platforms. So magic. Absolute beauty. How beautiful is JavaScript? We can use one language to build for every single platform with the same code base. How powerful is that, right? No language can do that. No language can do that. The power of web. Yep. Jesus Christ, man, come on. Oh, yeah. I mean, I've been told that even Amazon.com is using progressive web app. So they didn't build a native one. They're also using progressive web app, like $100 billion company. So if they can do it and hundreds of millions of people can use their app, then give me 1 second. Look, I'm very new to this Android crap. I never done this. So bear with me for a moment. Jesus Christ, man. How do I do this shit now? So I have this release here. I want to edit release. Can I like upload a new thing? Wait. Okay, maybe this is it. Wait, I'm learning here, right? Bear with me. Shit, it has to be another version. That fucking sucks. Are you kidding me, man? That it always has to be a different version, man. That sucks. All right. We have to do this from again. So yeah. Starting version 2. Full screen, portrait. Correct. No. Key store location, yes. Key name, Android, great. We build the app again. We give it a password. You have my email, the nerd. Feel free to hack it right away. Here it is. You can go and hack it right away. There is. Give it to friends as well. They can try to. Okay, let's try. Let's try. uploading app bundle. Come on, you can do it, please. I guess, I mean, it's not really uploading, it's also doing checksum verification now, probably exporting some stuff and then reading some metadata, right? If you're aware of basic, exactly, the latter one especially, exactly, that's the point. To get hacked, you really need to be stupid, right? Or illiterate in IT in general, right? Because hacking someone's email is so hard, it's not even real, right? It's incredibly hard, right? And you really need to be very dumb for that to happen. Incredibly dumb, right? If you don't have two-factor authentication, if your password is like literally password and shit like that, then yes. Okay, guys, so now you should be able to... so did any of you manage to find Programmer Network app on Android Store? Did anyone actually manage? So, so those of you... Exactly. So those of you who gave me your emails, you should have received an email now. Hunter too. So hey, testers, anyone there who gave me their email still? Did you get, are you managing to install Programmer Network on your phone? And give me just 1 second, give me 5 seconds, I'm gonna grab the phone from my wife. Give me 1 moment, be right back. All right. Give me 1 second, I'm here. Android phone still charging. Give me a second. I'm gonna try on my wife's phone. You guys seems to suck too much, so I can't rely on you. So it's fine. I'll just do it all myself. You guys are not reliable at all. All right, never mind. Never mind. Let me go to store. Yes. That's how it is. Programmer network search. Shit. Is it supposed to? Okay, I fucking suck as well. All right. Sorry, guys, you don't suck. I suck too. It's okay. I suck as well. Give me 2 seconds. We all collectively suck. It's fine. Create new release. Pause track. Phones. Tablets. Manage phone. What the fuck? Ah. Okay, try this link. Try that link. How testers can join. It's okay. I literally suck as well. It's fine. I pulled that back. Let me actually check the email. I should have gotten some email or some shit, shouldn't I? All inboxes. Give me 1 second. Ooh. No, I didn't. All right. Jesus Christ, man. All right, actually, let me just create a task for that. Bear, thank you very much, man. I think most of the people today sign up with this one of the social logins, right? Let me create that thing and we fix that today. I haven't tested that flow in a while. That flow. Let's instantly create that. Thanks a lot for reporting that. Let's put it right here on top of the list. That's has highest priority to be fixed. So urgent, small bug. When you say, are you sending, what do you mean? You mean emails? Now let me actually just see why. Reach and devices. So guys, how do we find this? How do we find this crap, man? So we have a release. It's there, closed testing, internal testing. Yeah, so we have internal testing. I've invited you guys. Temporary app name network.programmer. Now, okay, let me try to search for it this way. 2721. Where's the store? How do I use the store? Yeah, store programmer dot network dot programmer. Let me try to find it. Network. So hard to type on the phone, man. I never learned that. Network dot programmer dot twa. Dude, like, where the hell do I find this shit, man? It's starting to trigger me, man. Where do I find this crap, man? So did anyone click the link that I gave you? Did anyone click this link on their phone or whatever? So did you manage to install it? Did you manage to install? It's working. Beautiful. How does it look like? Is it fine? How the fuck do I actually open that link, man? Can I, let me wait, I need to type it manually. Shit, man. Because I'm not, I don't have, this is my wife's phone. I don't have Twitch here. So, wait, what is this? play.google.com/apps/internal test 47015 53800 53800 5526 5526 5526 44217 44217. All right, let's try that. All right, programmer network accept invite. Okay, so that's how it works. That's why we're here, fellas, right? That's why we're here, so we find what's wrong, right? If you don't have the app installed, download it on Google Play, okay? But do I have to uninstall it first and then install the new version? Because my wife, I had it in this. Okay, let's try again. Install. All right, program. Yeah, the icon is fucked for sure. There's no, we just need to find a good icon. I don't have a good icon. This square stuff isn't really great. So that's irrelevant. I just want to see, okay, so good. Yeah, this is not the latest thing that I've installed. That's the problem. This is not the latest version that I installed. Ah, now it is. Now it is. Okay. So I can still scroll. That's not good, even though that's fine. Yeah. So what do you guys think overall? How does it look? Icon is obviously fucked. The short name is kind of sucks. So what do you think? I'm not sure what do you mean it's browser. What do you mean it's browser? Of course it's browser, but that's not the point. Does it open in the browser? It's a progressive web app, so it is underneath, it's a browser. But did it open it in the browser for you? But Leo, I don't know. What do you mean? What do you mean it would be an app? What would look different? What do you mean it would be an app? Can you explain that? Jace, you didn't give me your email. That's why I didn't invite you, right? You need to give me your email. Or maybe you did send it to me. Ah, you did. Okay, give me a sec. But this is an app as well. What do you mean it's not a... So how did it open for you? What did it... URL? I don't see any URL. Which URL? Ah, okay. I see. Yeah, actually, I didn't notice that. Okay. I wonder... I see what you're saying, yeah. Well, we'll learn about that, right? I don't care much, honestly. I just care that it's basically that it's in the store. So that's the most important thing for me is like that the thing is actually in the store, right? So I don't care if it's if it needs to have a URL there. I don't think it does. We can probably remove that, right? Jace, I'm inviting you now. Of course it is. Every progressive web app is. Yes, of course. Okay, I invited Jace. That's great. So Jace, you're in. Hide URL from PVA. Is that possible? Hide. Okay. Hide the URL from progressive web app. Actually, so there's probably is a way, right? Okay, what do we have in the manifest? Let's see. You need to click the invite link that I've sent. You will not be, this is in a testing phase now, right? Brian, I think that I did add you. Let me try that again. Give me 1 second. Chatting. Let me just hide my screen. Brian, you are invited. I don't think that you're gonna get any invite. You need to. So everybody, you need to go. You need to go to this link. So once I invite you, you need to open that link up, right, on your phone. This is not. We're not at AOS yet. That's gonna be sometimes next week. Right now, we're dealing with the Android store, right? So we're gonna do that next week, and it's gonna be also easier for me because I have an iPhone as well. Okay, so the only thing that I dislike, and I actually haven't even realized that, is that indeed there is a URL, right? And why is there a URL? So let's take a look at here. So I guess one thing we didn't specify here is this. Amazing. It's just like it seems that maybe here display standalone. Maybe that's the problem. Maybe we should have specified, but I'm pretty sure that wait, give me one moment. Maybe, just maybe this is an old manifest. Wait. So this guy has standalone, right? So let me just try this once again, maybe. Domain programmer network, URL path. Full screen sticky. What is the difference? Display mode. Display. Let's learn about that. Give me a moment. So if I go to no, that's not what I want. Where's the docs? Yeah. Display. PVA Builder Studio. Where the fuck is the docs, man? PVA starter builder. Uh-huh. Awesome, man. Thank you very much. The application will open in a standard browser. The application will open in a minimal browser that still includes certain UI features such as navigation. The application will open in its own window with no browser UI elements. So yeah, but that's what we had. The application will use of all available display space. So maybe I should have left it as a... No, but I think that's what we did. I think I did make it last time in the full screen, right? Standalone says the application will open in its own window with no browser UI elements, right? So that would be without, right? So let's try standalone, portrait, right? Status bar color, splash screen color, icon URL. So the icons suck. We all agree with that, and we're going to fix that. You just sent a thought. Beautiful. Well, first thought sent from a... But let's do the build now. Shit, man. Oh, never mind. All good. Okay, building the Android app. Okay, great. Let's open up Android Studio, right? And let's try this crap again. How do I use this crap? How do I close it? How do I remove it? How can I... Shit, man. How can I, like, get rid of it? Install Blue. All right, thank you very much. I don't know what BlueStacks is. Uh-huh. Is this like something that I should download? Is this what you're saying, Bear? Jace, do you also see the URL in the top of the app? It's an emulator, okay. Well, I also have this Android Studio emulator, but let's try it, yeah. Yeah, so the URL shouldn't be there. Let's try to fix that first. I see. I've never heard of this. Great. I'm not a mobile developer, so I have zero idea about any of that. Thank you very much. Please educate me as much as you can, because I would like to learn and I know nothing about mobile development, right? So if you have any tips as I'm doing this, and in case you're watching, just feel free to help, because my knowledge of that is equal to zero. All right, let's see. I just want to... you played mobile games with this. Okay, fair enough. Let's try that then. Let me just close then the Android Studio then. Feels like super heavy. Yeah, the short name kind of sucks, man, because short name can be like up to 12 characters or something, right? What the fuck is this, man? I hope it didn't install some game, man. Okay, it didn't. All good, all good. So what do I do? Do I drag this crap? How do I install shit in this now? How do I use this thing? Christ, where is this crap? Yeah, keep laughing at my face. I know it's fun, bastards. Wanted to restart my computer in the middle of stream. Unacceptable. All right. All right, let's try this again. Pixel, whatever. Let's run this crap. Ah. Is it running it? I think it's running it. It's like 9 gigs or something. All right, here it is. Wait. Pixel is starting. Come on, man. Jesus Christ. All right. It's incompatible, it says. Maybe I should drag AAB. No. All right, so this emulator doesn't work. Okay, how do I kill it? Kill this emulator. Show me the other ones. How do I do that? Yeah, let's try Pixel. Let's try this guy. Maybe this guy works. It's okay, man. Like, I mean, it's the same crap. I will configure that, right? This is an emulator as well, so it's the same stuff. This is the best emulator, right? This is what those Android guys are using, right? What is it called? Jace, I'm aware of that, right? Leo also had it. I had it as well. Yeah. I had that as well, pretty much. Yep. Come on, man. Jesus Christ. It's literally loading a real phone or some shit. Like a virtual machine. How do I delete from here, man? How can I nuke the existing app? Ah, I see. No, the right click doesn't work. Right click doesn't work. Jesus Christ, man. So dumb. Like, how hard can it be to remove a fucking app, man? Yeah, exactly. I mean, the settings are the only way. There's no. Yeah, I'm there. So the URL is still there. What the fuck is this shit, man? But how does this? I don't think this relates to non-native development. You would still do the same thing in Android Studio, right? This is just a matter of not being able to delete stuff, right? But there's this still crap here. How is this possible, man? Like, didn't we like? Wait, let's try to build this again, right? The main URL, application, short name, version, I don't know, 5. Who cares? Let's say full screen. Portrait primary. What is portrait primary? Portrait. You don't have any URL. Okay, interesting. Are you sure? 100% that you don't see it? Like this URL here, you see? You see here it says programmer network. It's called an action bar. I see. Thank you very much for that. How the hell do I open this shit, man? Jesus Christ. You don't have any URL. Very interesting. Okay. So why do we have it then? Why do we have it? And is this where I'm building this stuff? Android test. Ah, because I'm a fucking idiot, man. I'm not in the right directory. Are you kidding me, man? So where is this shit? Well, maybe I'm not saying that that's the actual reason, but still, let's take a look at that. Let me move this here. What is all this, man? Where is the APK? I don't see the APK. Where is it? App release bundle. App release bundle. AAB. App release. Can I like move this? No. No, yeah, of course it is. Yeah, I mean, nothing would work, right? Of course. Nothing else would work, right? Oh, installing. Okay. It still has the fucking URL, man. What is this shit, man? I don't get it. Why? Why does it still have this crap, man? It makes no sense, man. Why does it have this? Yeah, you don't have it. What phone do you have, Abo? So why do we have it then? Yeah, display full screen, right? Icon URL. So here's the icon. That's why it's messed up, right? Yeah, I don't think it's cache. I mean, it wouldn't make sense, right? That it's cache, right? I mean, in Android Studio, cache, I mean, I wouldn't like to think that, right? Because, I mean, technically, I just want us to... Yeah, but I mean, exactly. The thing is, but how did you get this on iOS? You just installed it through the browser? You just went through Chrome, right? How did you get it then? That would be amazing. That would be amazing, Abo. Just trying to learn now what's happening, actually. I tried with standalone and full screen, right? Let's try standalone again, right? So right now it's full screen, right? So let's try standalone. But standalone is what I... 404, good evening, my friend. So it was standalone, then I switched to full screen to try it, right? So standalone, portrait, then it's just taking the default. It's reading my manifest, right? I sent you my email, 2 seconds. 2 seconds, request geolocation, key store, Android, build. Let me just hide my screen. Mike, oh my God, look who is here. Good evening, Mike. How are you doing, my friend? It's been a while. Accept DM. Let me just invite this good fella. Thank you for wanting to test. Where is it? Testers. Edit the list. Add the tester. Save changes. Copy the link. Here's the link. Good, man. I'm trying to push this progressive web app to Android store, right? So we're just testing now. I know the feeling, dude. I know the feeling, man. I feel you completely, dude. Shit, man. Oh my fucking God, man. Such an idiot. Okay, let's try. How is work, Mike? No, I mean, the thing is, keep in mind, like, this is a progressive web app, and it's always going to be that. Nobody neglects that, right? The point now is, you know, we want to publish this to those app stores so we get more people to sign up on the platform. So this is always going to be a progressive web app. That's what we are building. So that's not the point. The point is we want to try to do as much as possible to make it look like a native app. It's never going to be a native app, obviously, right? So, yeah, so that's really all that there is, right? App release signed. No, it's still showing this crap, man. Why? Why is it doing this, man? Why is it is it cached really or some shit? Let me try on my wife's phone again. No, but that's so why is it showing this crap in this emulator? I don't get it. Ask robot. We could do that, yeah. Give me 1 second. Let's just fix one thing at least, right? Let's fix one thing at least, right? Where the hell is the fucking icon, man? Man, shut the fuck up. Good evening, buddy. Hey, love. This is the API. Wait. Give me 1 second. So annoying, man. Where is the freaking icon URL? Here it is. Oh, Jesus Christ. So this is the icon, right, that we are rendering right now on the phone, right? So let's fix this at least for now, right? So let's go to Photoshop online or some shit like that, right? Photopia. Let me store this on my desktop. Let's go over here and let's try to open this crap. Yeah. Two seconds. Why is it? Give me 1 sec. You can check the... Yeah, I wonder, wait, let me check the icon on the phone now. How does the icon look now on the phone? Wait, so if we close this crap, yeah, it looks like shit. Okay, that's how it looks like. All right, so we have to kind of reduce it a bit so it's not that disgusting, right? I also wish that the icon is kind of transparent or something, but it doesn't matter. Let's just make it less disgusting, right? It's actually, this looks ugly like shit, but Jace, thank you very much for coming as always. Come more often. I haven't seen you lately at all. Yeah, that doesn't have the bar, right? That doesn't have the bar, right? That doesn't have the bar. You're absolutely correct. Okay. All right, so let's try this as an actual icon. So export as, what was the original format? PNG, right? Save. Okay. Let's grab this crap. Let's stake it. Let's go somewhere. I don't actually know where. Let's go over here. Yeah, over here, right? Review and Explorer. Let's paste this asshole here. Did we actually paste it? What? Kidding me? It doesn't seem that we pasted it, does it? Oh my God. How do I get access to test? You just need to give me your email and then I'll share a link with you. Give me 1 second. So, oh shit. What? Kidding me? No, so this is actually correct. Yes. So this would be more accurate, right? It's not the perfect quality. I wouldn't care. We just want to see if this is going to do actually, right? So let's push this to production, right? All right, great. No, not really. Not based on what I saw. I disagree because you can see how it looks like here, right? So it doesn't seem that that's correct. I mean, in theory, maybe that's correct, right? But in practice, it isn't. You can see clearly here. You can see clearly here how the existing icon looked like, right? So there's no way that this squared icon can be full width. No chance. It's just geometrically is not possible, right? And actually, that's a good point. I didn't realize that you cannot even see this, right? Can I move this shit so you guys can see it actually better or something like that? Can I? Wait. How do I like move this crap somewhere else, like here? Yeah. So you can see how it looks like, right? So there's no chance that that's true, right? No chance that that's true. Wait, I need to lift the, I need to sit a bit. Wait. Yeah, I mean, maybe it is shit, right? But we need to build for the worst possible case, right? I mean, right? Not everyone has, you know, iPhone 14 or something, right? So I don't disagree with you at all. It's just, you see how it looks. Let me see on my wife's phone, right? You can see it's the same here. If you take a look at my wife's phone, right? I don't know if I can zoom here. Wait. You see? You see that it's kind of cut out, right? I don't know, right? I don't know. So if we continue with this crap, right? I mean, so the problem we have now is this. We don't know why on some phones this URL seems to be showing here, right? We don't want this crap to be shown, right? But for some reason it is, right? And then there's obviously some UI little things to fix, right? Try to make it a circle with border an icon. Yeah, I think that's the next thing we're gonna try. But let's try this first. Let's go to our Cloudflare. Okay, so did this deploy, right? Okay. Yeah, I also saw it, Abel. I saw the screenshot. I saw that you done. Yeah. So that's not good. You can see that's not good, right? That's success, right? All right, let's try it again. Shit. Standalone, portrait, status bar color. Yeah, so this is still heavily cached. This doesn't seem like an icon I actually uploaded. Phone should change icon to rounded if it's square and vice versa. But how to do that, man? I actually agree with you. It's just like how. Interesting. Building the app. All right, so we build that again, right? Let's open this folder again. Let's go back here. Let's uninstall this shit. So hard, man. So fucking hard. Come on, man, please. Like, how do I use this phone? It's pissing me off so hard, man. And then he's laughing at my face. Shut the fuck up. Okay. Look at this crap, man. Like, how hard is it? Seriously, man. Jesus Christ. Storage. I don't want to go to storage, man. Jesus Christ. Okay. Whew. What is this crap, man? All right, let's install this shit. No, it's the same icon, right? It seems to be the same icon. So I think it's using the cached icon or something. Digital asset links verification failed. So probably this emulator isn't actually correct, right? I would much rather to believe that than I did something wrong. It's way easier to deal with that, right? Instead of thinking that I'm doing something wrong, I can just blame it on something else, right? I think that's the best, right? So yeah, let's just say, you know, that this thing sucks ass and that's it, right? I think it's way, way easier than taking any responsibility. Yes, exactly. Phone, pixel, pixel. Yeah, it's amazing, man. We're going to deploy to iOS and Android just with a single code base. How amazing that is, right? Sick stuff. Yeah, it is. That's the problem. It's heavily cached because this thing is not actually what I pushed, right? And we need to unregister the service worker, right? Because service worker heavily cached it, right? So you can see update and reload should be checked. Or maybe we didn't even push what we think that we pushed, right? So annoying, man. Jesus Christ. So annoying, man. All right, whatever. We need to fix it. Let's not complain like little assholes here. Or like a little asshole to say, be more specific. Wait, which one did we actually change? Maybe that's the problem. So it's this one, right? Yeah, so it's correct. Like, yeah, we can see clearly that this one is still loading like this. Yeah, it was this one, I'm sure, right? Give me 1 second. Let me just remove all of this. I mean, you could be right? David, thank you very much, buddy. Very much appreciated. Thanks a lot, man. Thanks a ton, dude. Let's say here npm pnpm build, just to see what the output of the manifest, that the new manifest that it generates is going to be, right? Then we can figure it out. So if we go to the dist here now, we can see that it didn't generate the manifest yet, but it should in a second. So let's see what happens then. Come on, you can do it. Yeah, so let's see. Let's format this thing, right? And let's go to icon something. Yeah, exactly. It's just that little battle, right? Because yeah, we just need to fix it, right? We need to finalize it. And yeah, is it super fun? Yes and no, right? It's a bit frustrating, but once we learn it, and the fact that we can deploy our app to 2 major app stores, right, on the planet, how crazy that is, right? I mean, that's impressive, right? So I am a bit mad now in a way because it's boring, but once it actually ends up there, how amazing that is. So once we kind of fine tune all of this crap, and once it all works, we never have to touch this stuff again, right? So it's like, just we need to go through the processes always. You know, when you don't understand something, it's you know, it's then it can become frustrating. But once you kind of learn it, as always, it becomes nice, right? PNG. Shit. What if I would use like, yeah, but still, right? Still, I'm confused. Why is there this URL in the top, right? For some people, right? So that's the only thing, right? Of course, I mean, it's a easy win, easy win. So okay, yesterday basically, right? We learned about this thing. Fuck, I had too many. I had 2 beers with Sako an hour ago. I'm still drunk. Okay, so we had this PVA generator, right? Let's see if we could kind of. Is it possible that the URL is reviewed? Maybe, yeah. Maybe you're right, right? Tacos are amazing, exactly. Okay, so the icon is the lesser thing. I can do that even off stream. That's not like the huge issue, right? The only issue that I can't figure out is that some of you had, including my wife's phone that I'm holding here now. Yeah, so the icon is one thing that's okay, right? I can live with that. But why is there a URL? Let's ask the robot, right? Tudor, my friend. Good evening. I was actually checking your platform today. I wanted to see if you guys worked on anything that I gave you. How are you, man? How is life? Is it Twitter and LinkedIn has a baby? Maybe. Wait, on Android, you need to implement Trusted Web to enable the full screen mode. So I recommend you use PV. Yeah, that's what we're doing. My pleasure, man. Thank you for supporting the stream, man. Very much appreciated. That was like, just gave me a perspective on maybe just one day doing this with other companies as well, because I think it's super fun. And it literally, it almost incentivized me to even, yeah, I'm not worried about the logo. I can pay indeed someone. Yeah, 100%. I actually think I'm just gonna pay someone to do it. I don't have the patience or the time. But two-door, very good, man. Very, very happy to hear. Right back at you, man. So if you build it with PVI Builder, first go to your site in the browser. I was having this problem, but I finally solved it with help of this GitHub issue post. It turned out that I had the pause parameter because I built it with Bubble. It has more flexibility than PVI Builder too. It only works for Android instead of HTTPS. Note, yeah. On Android, you need to implement TVA. Enable full screen. Give me 1 second. My wife is talking to me. Just 1 second. 1 sec. All right, sorry. I had to give back the phone to my wife. She's going to bed. Report card. What is this? PVA Builder. Yeah, I am working with the PVA Builder. Yeah, that's what we're doing, right? So that's fine. We cross all of the things. None of this shit is necessary. Those warnings, I already did this off stream today, right? Man, shut the fuck up. We had a Tudor kind of did he supported the stream with his product a few days ago. I don't know if you've been here. I can show you the video. You can watch it if you want. But he kind of, give me a second. He supported the stream. We did the review of his product. So he has this progressive he has the serverless application platform. So if you want to watch the stream that we did, it was basically, yeah, it was this. And fuck, I love so much when you guys are participating and helping. Assets links, Jason. That's actually very true. Yeah, this is true. We are missing this, I think. Actually, I need to start doing those. I need to start doing those things, right? I need to continue to start doing those videos again. And thank you very much for saying that. Actually, it's very inspirational to see this. Okay, let me just try something again here. So let's do this again. Check the note. I will. What is this? Wait. Give me 1 second. Let me. Yeah, I'm not using a PVA builder, so I am building my app with Bubble Wrap. Yes. So I am doing that already. Application name. You look a little chilly. I mean, I'm always super hot and smart and humble, man. Just remember that, okay? I'm actually pretty hot in life. Play no versus no. Keep no. Yeah. Actually, it was chilly, man. It was actually chilly. Because what I wanted to say, it was windy, right? And genius, exactly. I forgot. Out of the humbleness that I possess, I forgot to say that I'm genius as well. Yes, 100%. Thank you very much for the reminder of my genuine geniusness. I can already tell you in short, Mike. I think that. So that's not gonna happen. Maybe if it ever happens, maybe in 2 years, right? So before I even think about any business, right? This first I need to see if this platform is going to be used by developers. So if they will want to create their profiles and use some other features that we're going to build, right? So I think if I manage to get the developers here, then the business model is fairly simple. You start adding in organizations, companies, recruiting agencies. Then we also going to build soon. We're going to build a version of meetup.com. So this thing, right? So this is going to be another. So there is a way always to monetize things, but it's a chicken and egg problem, right? In order, good evening, Panosa, my friend. In order to monetize anything, right, you need to first, in order to bring companies here, right, you need to bring the developers first, right? Good evening, man. I was just having beers with Sako. I just came home like an hour or two ago. We've been out in the bar for like 4 hours. I'm no longer drunk. I was a bit tipsy, but now I'm actually better. Oh yeah, and what I wanted to say, so one of you guys, I think it was, who was it? Abo, he shared this amazing link. Thank you very much for that. So apparently we are missing some file. The file that we are missing is called asset links JSON. So why are we missing this file? Why are we missing this file? Yeah, we are missing this file. Bubble wrap. Oh, I see. Asset link not generated by bubble wrap, build and bubble wrap, fingerprint, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Oh man, I have to read now other people's sentences. So hard. You can, okay. Generating fingerprint from the key generated by bubble wrap was removed. You can figure out the... I have no idea what this is. No idea. Okay. So hard. I think I have to create manually, as far as I understand, the asset links JSON, right? On Android, you need to implement a TVA, trusted web activities, to enable the full screen mode. So I recommend you use the PVA, but already returns as a signed PVA. Okay, so let's just try, right? So let's do this, and let's generate this fella using okay, I'm definitely gonna put in CV that I'm an expert Android developer. Yes, clearly. Not just a professional, an expert in Android. I'm gonna be Android expert enthusiast. That's gonna be my next. It's gonna be like expert Android and oh my fucking god, expert Android enthusiast since 2001. you gotta kind of, you need to lie for at least 20 years, right, of time. What do you guys think? What are guys, expert senior? I like that. Expert senior Android enthusiast since 2001. Wait. Building expert grade senior enterprise apps on Android enthusiast since 2001. There we go. Thank you very much, everybody, for the follows. What do you guys think? Building expert grade senior enterprise apps on Android enthusiasts in 2001. Think about that now. Android released in 2008, and I've been building the app since 2001. Think about it. Think about it. And then come back to me. Fucking noobs. I don't even know. You're not even worthy of me wasting time on you. Because you're not even building, you know, Android apps. Noob destroyer. Fucking useless cunts. You're not even building apps. Fuck off. You're not worth the mention even. Pretty much pronounce it. Fucking cunts. I'm not only senior, bro. I am. Building expert grade senior enterprise apps on Android enthusiasts since 2001, bro. Think about it. Fucking noobs. Look at me dragging this app onto the screen as an expert enthusiast. Fuck you. Okay. Scroll. I did start. Ooh, the icon changed. Woohoo! The icon looks good now. It still failed. Digital asset links verification still failed. Fuck. Shit. Ah. Why? Why is it failing? Am I using iPhone? No, this is Pixel 3a. Yeah, but this is an Android app. We cannot install the Android app on iPhone, can we? That makes no sense. Shit, man. Fuck. But at least the icon. Clearly. So was I supposed to like drag all of this crap, signing keys, and like, can I... Ooh, assets links is actually here. What? So it is here, man. It is here. Are you kidding me? Come on, man. That's not cool. Extract all. Peanut 1. Okay, so it's this one, right? Fucking noobs. Okay. Well, if you were an expert senior Android enthusiast 2001, you would know, bitch. Okay? Don't ask those noob questions, please. I only respond to expert questions, okay? Fucking noobs, man. There's nothing more that I hate than the noobs. Like, are you even building apps for Android, man? What is this? Let me drag all of this crap. So, okay, so jokes aside now, just to get serious for 2 seconds. So we have learned something new, or Abo shared that link that made me learn something new. So for sure, it has to do with the app not being signed or some shit, right? Where was this crap? Over here, right? Was it this? No. Where was it? So it's because of this, right? Ah, look at this. Upload this file to your server. I see. No, this... Exactly. At least it's generated now, for sure. But it's generated through... it's generated through the builder, right? Things. It's here. But how do we install now this crap with it, right? Can I go, actually, give me 1 second. So what if we go to our... What if we go here? Whatexample.com. Let's try to create a new release. Wait a minute. Try to do this. And then we try to release it with this crap here. Oh, I love you guys so much. Thank you. HTTPS programmer.network. What? Shit. Where is it? What's the name of my fucking app, man? Where is it? How do I see that? It's so hard. Publishing overview. Is this? No. Release overview. Overview. I keep clicking on overviews. Okay, wait. Let's try that again. I remember there was some ID of my app. Temporary name. Yeah, so this is the temporary name. So I suppose I'm supposed to use this in here, right? Package name. Where the hell do I get the fingerprint? Where the hell do I get this fingerprint thing, man? I see. Okay. So you're saying, here it is. All right, cool. Generate statement. Test statement. Invalid inputs. Is this the most useless error that we've seen to this day? I think it is. Invalid input fields. So it's not the values that are invalid. It's their input fields that they're in. It's like they implemented shitty input fields. Invalid input fields. Are you kidding me, bro? No app deep linking permission found for network program at programmer network. Have no fucking clue what that means, man. Like, it's impossible to decipher what that means, like, ever. So I suppose I'm supposed to push this file to my domain, right? Right? Maybe. Delegate permission, handle all URLs. So I suppose I'm supposed to... I have no idea what I just said. I think as well, right? Asset links JSON. Let's try that crap, man. Jesus Christ, so hard. So let's go to source. No, let's go to public. No. Shit. What? Huh? Yeah, exactly. I think it should be in public, right? Was it asset asset links.json, right? Was it like this? I think it's asset link JSON, right? Yeah. And now I'm supposed to push this, right? So let's smack this fella, right? Let's smack it in. The hell is this, bro? Favicon. Let's discard that. Discard, delete. Thank you very much, everybody, for well-known what? Ah, yeah. Okay, I see what you guys are saying, right? Example, well-known. Are you kidding me? So I need to create a well-known folder. Okay, but give me a second. Before we do that, I just need to understand one thing. Wait. Yeah, exactly. Panosa is 100% right. I just need to know, see how do I actually do it. Give me 2 seconds. So if I say favicon, so I need to create a folder inside of the public folder, right? So I need to do this. I need to say well-known and then move this here, right? I think this should be it, right? I think so, at least. Let's push this bad boy. Right, beautiful. Beautiful. Let's go back here. Beautiful. It's building. So that's building. I don't care, man. I fear nothing. I literally fear nothing. I don't care, man. That's all part of the learning process, isn't it? Right? That's the beauty of this stream, right? It enables me to try all sorts of things. And, you know, I back up the production database 4 times a day. So that's the only thing that I care about, right? Did you see the first prototype of a programmer network mug? If anybody wants to buy, this is the first mug ever made. $500 for anyone, plus $1,000 shipping. So if anyone wants this, it's $1.5K for any of you. Look at that. I started writing programmer network, then I realized I have no space left. Panosa, you're just saying that because you can't afford it, bitch. Look at this. He's just jealous that he can't afford $1,500 mug. Look at this. And actually, let me show you one thing. Now I'm gonna paint more on it. I'm gonna use a marker here. Shit. Let me just add something to it. Wait for it. All right, there we go. The price is gone a bit now. It's 1,100, 1,700. Look at this now. Are you ready? There we go. Fuck you, noobs, okay? And then on the other side, it's programmer network. So basically, when you're drinking your coffee like this, right? You can see on the side it says "fuck you, noobs." All right, look at this, beautiful. You see, price went up twice. How amazing is that, right? All right, let's get serious here a bit. Yes! Fuck you, Panosa. I love you, man. Okay, and what do we do now? Generate statement. So what do I do with this now? What now? Generate and save a statement file on your site to enable application. No, but where do we go from here? Like, should I be able now to what now? I don't get it. Like where do we go from here? Should I like try now to go here, create a new release or something? Wait. G Bounty, good evening, my friend. How are you? We go fishing now. Okay, no, shut up. Let's try to create a new release, right? How do I do that? No, I don't want to edit release. I want to create a new release. View release details, discard release. Wait, discard release, discard. Create new release. Okay, create new release. All right. Panosa, actually, I did no. But which manual, man? Like where? Jokes aside now. Like which manual did you guys check? You entered app on the sign with the wrong key. Change signing key. Change signing key. Thank you very much for the follows. But what do I do now? Use the same keys in another app. Yeah, but it is signed. It is signed. I mean, it's just signed. This is signed pretty much. I'm 100% sure, right? Read me. Shit, man, they did have this. There are a few ways it's ready to be published. All the files you need to complete these steps are contained in the zip. Shit. Okay, so they actually had this written already. Okay, that's on me. Great. Next, you'll upload the app package to Google Play Console. Log in. You can follow guidelines. Be aware that peers and cannot currently target children as audience. I don't give a shit. Okay. Update. No sane child would use this app anyway. Update your asset links file. I think the signing key now is the problem. We need to read those docs to figure that one out. Because I think we're pretty much going to get the same error now. Yeah, the Android bundle signed. So how do we change the fucking key, man? Click Setup App Integrity App Signing tab and copy SHA finger. Yeah. Then paste the fingerprint into your JSON. Yeah, well, we did it in reverse, right? So we did this kind of in reverse, right? Your zip file contains in the Android key store. Okay, so we did this kind of in reverse, right? We were kind of supposed to do this in the opposite way. Give me 1 second. My wife is writing to me. All right. So I think we should have done this in reverse, right? Once you upload your AB file, Google resends your because of this. You'll need to update your ass. This step is required for running the production version. If you skip this step, your app will crash. A browser address will appear inside your app. Okay, got it. Once you have uploaded your AB file, Google Play reassigns your app. Because of this, you'll need to update your asset links file. Go to Google Play console and select your app release. Click setup and then app integrity. Okay. Manage integrity, change signing key. Changing the app has some important consideration. Internal and cloud track user loaded style app will no longer receive updates. You will not be able to use any previously uploaded version. Change the key. Okay, I don't get it, like this part. Let's see. Use this code. The code performs key wrap encryption with the PEM encoded encryption public key downloaded previously to create. Okay. Yeah, but no, I don't want to do that. For increased security, create new upload key. Yeah, fuck, I don't want to do this now. Is there something easier we can do? The thing is, I mean, we could release under the same release because we use the same signing key, right? So what we could do, I can actually, give me a second, I think, until I figure this out more. So I can do this. Fuck. I know, man. Thank you for putting pressure on me. That makes me way more productive. Way more productive, bitch. Fucking asshole. Yeah. Bro is mad. I love that. Internal testing. Okay. Bitch. Okay. There are a few steps to take before a POV is ready to be published. Let me just read this from scratch. Deploy the assets links. Your zip file contains, this is a digital asset links file that proves ownership of your PVA. To properly deploy this file, upload it to your server. Actually, Sako bought me another beer that I brought here. So there is definitely more. There's definitely more. So the only thing that I think the only thing that I don't know is changing this key, right? Exactly. I told you, noobs. I don't get this anyway. I don't get this. No. All apps. Okay. So this is the app, right? Yes. Click setup. App integrity. App signing. So this is what they're telling us to do, right? For sure, right? Even though, why are they saying that we don't have all of this shit in our assets link? Once you update it, the file is the address will bar it from your app. Your file contains signing key is the Android key store. Your zip file contains signing key store. Yeah, we're gonna shit. Where? Why? Oh, never mind. Wait, give me a second here. So this, where's the public, well-known thing? Yeah. So let me just update this, and I'm gonna just push that. I'm gonna say update SHA commit. I think you need to. Yeah, but that's what I did. This is the thing, right? 5C, right? Yeah, so that's it, right? But wait a minute. Yeah. Yeah, that's the one. That's the one, right? So let's see what happened. But why is it not showing any change that I did any change? What? Kidding me? No, why is it? Why? Oh, did I commit it already? Shit, man. I started losing my mind. Thank you. Oof. Okay, good, great. Already committed the changes. Okay, great. If if you have an existing app in the Play Store and you want to publish a new version of it, Generate a new package using the steps above. Okay. Specify a new app version and app version code. Scroll down to signing key and choose use mine. So I think this is what we need to do, right? Can you generate a new package using the steps? We did that, right? Specify your new app version. Scroll down to signing key and choose use mine. Where is the signing key? App signing? Upgrade your app signing. Maybe this one. Request key upgrade. Yeah, but where do I select an app to use the same key? I don't have another app. No, I don't have another app. This is like if you have multiple apps, right? Well, I have one app only, right? Upload new app signing key from another repository. Yeah, but I don't want to create another app, right? There's no point. It's just a single app, right? I mean, worst case, right? What I can do is I can wait. No, no, it's not. I mean, it's internal testing, right? So that's why, right? I don't want to publish this to production yet, right? And I can't. There's more things to do, right? So it's internal testing, edit. Okay, wait, in the upload part of the bundle, I think. Okay, upload. Where's the use mine, right? I don't see that anywhere. Release notes, change signing key, maybe. Manage integrity protection, no. Change signing key. I don't see use mine anywhere, unless am I blind? Yeah, that's deployed. Okay, give me 1 second. Interesting. So what should we do, man? I'm a bit confused. Generate a new package. Scroll down to signing keys. Like, yeah, I mean, the thing is, I don't think we need, I mean, we know what we need to do, right? We just need to generate a new key. We just need to find where that is here. Or should I just remove this app and make a new one, right? I don't know. Give me 1 second. So One moment. So if we do this, right? Is there a way here when this guy is packaging our app? Is it the way that we provided our local key, right? So if I go here, can I like give it? I don't think so, right? There's no chance for that. Key full name. So maybe this is something, right? Key. Your full name. Use one create. Ooh. 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 Wait. But you know what's the thing here? Give me 1 second. I wonder if it's this Android key store. I guess it's this, right? So let me move this to desktop. Beautiful, so secure. This is the super my alias. What the fuck is my alias? How do I even know that? How do I know what my alias is, bro? Key store location, okay. Key name, so that's probably the alias, right? So let's call it, yeah, Android is fine, right? Okay, let's try that. We're getting to it, guys. We're getting to it. Don't lose faith. Don't lose faith. I think this is it. I think this is it. I think this is it. Now the only thing that we're gonna have to do, we're gonna have to update the JSON file, right? Because I think so. I'll need to kind of build this somehow as part of this whole build process, right? Don't lose faith, just lose weight. Exactly, pretty much. All right, give me a second. This is great. I wonder if those guys have a CLI tool so I don't have to do this crap to this graphical user interface, because this is super annoying. And I'm actually, they probably do have it. Okay, so let's open this crap. So I guess actually we don't have to do that every time. So the only thing really we need to do now is try this. I think now it should actually work. So if we go internal testing, we create a new release. Now I think it should like it. What? Your uploaded file that is not a well-formed zip archive. Is this supposed... Oh shit, man. Wait. My bad. Relax, man. It's okay. Fucking noob. Okay. that was directed to you, man. Shut the fuck up. Just so you know, but whatever. Are you kidding me, bro? Are you fucking kidding me, or what is this? Ah, it's their shitty UI. Okay, let's try that again. Ah, shit, man. What? I need to refresh the whole page? Yeah, it's refreshed the whole page. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Ovens, my friend. Good evening, man. It's been a while. What's up? All right, let's try this once more because I'll need to head off soon. We have some family here. They're sleeping right in the living room behind me. And yeah, I can't disturb them the whole night, even though I have like 3 more hours in me. Just see if this crap is still actually working. It is. Did we get few people more to sign up the stream? Beautiful. 5, 6, 7 people. Amazing. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, we are actually becoming Android experts here. Um, Android enthusiasts. As soon as this works, I'm putting Android expert on my CV instantly. Can't actually wait. That's the only reason why I'm doing this. So I can just say Android expert E. Can't wait. Like, it's gonna be great. Okay. I don't know. It doesn't make sense. Yeah, man. We have a bunch of people signing up every day. So for sure. So I think actually I know what happened. So now, jokes aside, right? I actually know what happened. So basically, the initial signing key that I had for this application was removed, right? And I haven't saved it, right? So actually, I don't have the old key anymore. So in simple words, the only way to fix this really is to remove this right thing completely. So if I go here, how do I do that? How do I remove this crap like entirely and then create a new one? How can I do that? Anyone knows? And then, so I didn't know basically that I have to keep that key right alive. So where do we actually get rid of this? Publishing statistics inbox, release overview. I mean, we could technically also just try changing the key. It's hard to believe that you can't really do that, right? It makes zero sense. So if we go to setup, advanced settings. So if we go app signing, and then we go app signing here, right? What if I do this? No, it doesn't seem so, no. I wanted to use this basically. Give me a moment. I wanted to use this thing, but this, yeah, okay, let me try. Just an idea. I don't think that's gonna work though. And then while that's loading, upload a new key. Good evening, man. I need apartment and money. Please give. Okay. So let's go to, where is this crap, man? Use mine, right? Yeah, so that's not gonna work. Okay. You don't need to learn data structures. No. You don't. You just need to build things, and you need to learn how to showcase that you're capable of building things, right? So that's the only thing you really need to do, right? Okay, let's ask the robot today how to do this, right? So my advice to you is keep building things, keep learning practical things. That's all that matters, right? That you enable yourself to bring value. Okay, let's see what this guys. Create new pair. It's nothing impressive, man. Nothing wizardy, right? It's just thousands of hours of repetition, right? Just like any other job, right? So don't. I mean, it's good to get inspired by looking at someone else, right? But keep in mind, it's just a lot of repetition, right? You repeat the same crap over and over and over again, right? Until it works. Download encryption public key. Use this code. The code performs with PEM encoding. To download the previous to create your own tool exporting encrypted private key. Upload generated zip. I genuinely don't get this. What is this Java? What is this jar file that we got? Where do I use this? Like, seriously, where the fuck do I use this, man? Download encryption public key. Use this code. How do I use this? Anyone knows? Like, how do we? Use this code. Code performs RSA with the PEM encoding encrypted public key. Download the previous to create your own tool exporting encryption, encrypted private key. Okay, but how do we use this? What is perk tool? What is this crap, man? Where is this? Download encryption key upload. So how do we use this, man? Play. Okay, okay. So it's this crap, right? Usage of command line. Java, jar. Like, dude, the instructions are so fucking poor, man. Unbelievable. Okay, so I see. All right. It's unbelievable, man, how useless this is, right? Okay. Give me one moment. So actually, you know what? What I'm going to do is I'm going to... Where's my front-end code base? Over here, right? So let's get in here. Let me just paste this temporarily here. And I'm going to say CDF. I'm going to say Java. Fucking Java, man. So let's go here. So Java, jar, perk. Didn't I copy this crap in here? Yeah, perks src, okay? So Java jar perk src dot jar. So hard, man. So hard, man. So hard. Jesus Christ. Why? Why is it hard? Why does it have to be hard, man? Okay, I see. I see. All right. I think I get it. So we downloaded this encryption public key. Let me just delete all of this shit. Wait. All right, cool. Close. No. So hard, man. Unbelievable. Okay, we put that crap in there. Now we go here and we say Java. Is this installed now? It is. Okay. Unable to access. What the fuck are you talking about? What? What? Okay, interesting. Wait, let me just get rid of this crap. Okay. Yeah, perk. So it is here, man. What? Why is it saying that it can't? Did I completely misspell that? I suppose I did, right? Pepk. Oh my god. Fucking idiot. Thanks. No main manifest attribute. Perk. I wrote perk. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful. No main manifest attribute in pepk src. So hard, man. Exactly. So fucking hard. Why? Why is it so hard? So hard, man. Use this code. How about you fuck yourself, this code, okay? Fucking assholes, man. Like, what does this even mean? Why didn't they like provide more context, right? It's so hard, man. What is installed, man? Like, what is this crap? Installed per pepk jar. What is Using installed pep. This repository is totally import from Google Pep. Just make it capable of modifying and building with graph. Or really, if you're trying to generate a release bundle signed Twitch keys, yeah, I'm trying to exactly. I'm trying to generate a new key basically, right? So I'm trying to generate a. I lost the old key, right? So if you're trying to generate a release bundle signed, I guess you wanted to say with keystone. Yeah, exactly. Okay, so how do I do that, man? Be my guest, please. I would highly appreciate that. So how do I do that? So where can I give it the bundle that I want to sign? Play one game. Hey, buddy, thank you. Go to top build. Make project. Android Studio build. Okay, and where do I go now? Keep in mind, yeah, this is a... No, I want... This is not the project, right? So keep in mind that open... Yeah, but I don't have the Android project. This is like, okay, let's try, right? Give me a second. No, I know. The thing is, give me a second. The thing is, we have a, give me a moment. Let me try to reset the... How can I reset the UI to default one? Yeah. So yeah, so the biggest problem that I have now, right, is that... Okay, let's do it like this, right? So, all right, give me a second, just so you can know the context, right? One second, let's drag this here. Why is it opening this whole code? Can I like remove this from here? I don't want all to have this. Wait. File open. Android test. Yeah. Okay. So this is some sort of a project we have, obviously. Open project build generate sign bundle. Yeah, that's the problem. I don't see that. Make module Android run generate source. Make module. Yeah, I don't really see that, right? That's the problem. Give me a moment. File closed, but then open. Select the Android folder and click on. And I zoom in here. No, that's not what I wanted at all, but okay. Yeah, absolutely, man. Absolutely. Yeah, of course, man. Of course you can. Beautiful. Thanks. The problem is, I already do have a key that I want to change, right? Yeah, that's the problem. I don't think that I see those options, right? If I click build, I don't see that. Yeah, but that's the thing. This is not a native Android application, right? This is a progressive web app that was bundled using bubble wrap, right? Exactly, yeah. So that's not going to work, right? Okay, well, you know what? How do I remove the project and then I recreate it again? So how can I remove this? How can I remove this app that I created? Can I even do that somewhere? It's so hard to delete the fucking app, man. How hard can that be? I see, I see, I see. Exactly. It's just like, how can I remove this app? Yeah, man, it's incredible. Like I'm literally for 20 minutes trying to remove the fucking app. Like, how hard can that be? Obviously, we can all witness that. It can be incredibly hard, right? I don't think that they want me to remove this app. That's the problem. Yeah, I don't think that they want me to delete this. That's the problem. Literally, like, can you remove app here? I don't think you can do that, right? How do I delete an app from? Christ. The problem is I can't, man, right? Because now when I try to Now when I try to publish a new version, it's complaining that the signed key is not the same. That's the problem, right? So I just need to, I would like to, so the problem is I can't seem to be, I can't upload a new version because it's signed. I lost the old signing key, right? So that's the problem. That's what I'm trying to solve here, right? Because here, right, you know, if this creates a new key, right? Let me show you just so you understand what's happening here, right? Let's just go through this process quickly, right? So I'm going to download the package, and this is going to wrap my progressive web app into this Android ABK, APK, whatever, right? I do not know. I lost it. I lost the key that I initially used to upload the app. Panosa, likewise, my friend. Thank you very much for being here. Thanks a lot, man. Yeah, but there's the thing. I just want to, if you know, if I just remove this app and create a new one, that's also good enough, right? So I don't want to do that, right? I just want to remove an app and create it again because it doesn't really matter. We're still learning this stuff, right? Okay, so you can see, so this thing generated this stuff for me. It has the signing key. It has everything, right? And then you see we have those asset links now as well. And now I would like to obviously say, hey, added this testing release. And, you know, I just move, let's say, this crap here, right? Yeah, but how do we delete the app? That's the question. I can't find it. That's what I literally want to do. Yes, you're absolutely right. But I can't seem to find where do we delete it, right? Okay, so let's go all apps, right? This is where I am, right? Where do I go now? Right? If I click on this, I don't know where do I remove it. That's the problem. Can't find anywhere a place for that, right? No, there's no context menu anywhere, right? Thank you everybody for your follows and stuff. Very much appreciated. Thanks a lot. I literally can't find it, man. You can't remove the fucking app, man. Are you kidding me? It's like literally. Yeah, I know, but I mean, I already use this name, you know. I will not be able to create the app with the same name, right? And I want this to be the name, right? So I know that we can create a new one. That's clear, right? It's just like then I would not be able to use the name I want, right? Yeah, man, I can't. I'm trying to find it now for like 20 minutes. Literally can't see it, man. Jesus fucking Christ. Imagine how shitty your user experience is. Unfortunately, you can't. Wow, man. Like, Dude. Like, literally, I just wasted fucking 40 minutes, man, on this shit. And it's like, no, you can't. All right, let's try to create a new one, right? Okay. So now I think it's fundamental, right? Now it's fundamental that every time when every time now when I sign an app, I have this, I leave this, I save this signing key somewhere, right? And we're gonna do that, right? So I'm just gonna move this crap. I'm just gonna move it somewhere temporarily, right? I'll just go maybe to the front end project for a second. And we're just gonna do, because we're learning this shit anyway, right? So let's just say temp until I figure out the better place. And I'm not gonna commit this at all. I'm not gonna push this to Git or whatever. I just wanna have it there for now. Okay. Next thing we do, now we have created this shit, right? Let's go internal testing. Let's say create new release. We don't really have at this point, I guess this is a new app, right? So I guess we don't have any signing keys at this point, right? So what happens now if I do it and it was never signed before? Let's see. You need to use a different package name because Network Programmer TVA is already used by one of your other applications. Okay. Man, so I mean, such an arbitrary type of thing. And yeah, because it's hard, right? Google is only, you know what, like $100 billion company. So implementing, implementing delete is a complicated task, right? It's you know that's why you need to learn all the data structures and algorithms if you want to get a job at Google, because then you will be able to implement an endpoint to delete a project. Okay, actually, so let's yeah, dude, but like, what is now the key store password and shit? Because when this thing, like, so no, but you know what's the problem, man? Like, think about it this way, right? I already did that. But then every other time when I use this tool, I will need to say use mine, right? But then when I click use mine, it's asking for the alias and password. So what the fuck is the password and alias that it creates then initially? You understand what I mean? So I already generated it once now. and now I want to use the same key that we just generated. You remember the one that I just saved here in the temp folder, you know. So how do I do that then? Because what is the password and the alias that it used? Or it maybe didn't use anything. Can this be like omitted or something? Let's take a look. Right? It's like, it's ridiculous, right? So dude, did it use now? Or do I have to choose my password? What? But I don't have a fucking password, man. I never created one. Interesting. Okay, so it is inside. Okay. Thank you very much. That's a good point. I'm gonna change this anyway, right? Key password, key store password, yeah. Wait, key store password, key alias. And then where's the key password? Key password, yeah. Wait, so key password, key store password. Okay. So fast, super fast. We'll need to, tomorrow I'm gonna just automate this with CLI. Of course, I'm not gonna be using this tool to do this manually, right? It's just now when we're just trying to figure out all of this shit, it just doesn't really matter, right? Because this should build like in 2 seconds on this machine, right? Yeah, exactly. This is just I mean, this is, as you can see, right? This is literally a website built for progressive web apps, right? So it's kind of, its whole purpose is to just do that, right? Extract all, extract. Let's go now and give it a shot. So we go here, we drag this fella. We'll then also need to, what? We'll also need to update the this thing. So I think now if I actually go to my front end, right? So wait, where is this? So yeah, there's a process here that we need to do, right? So I need to open this up and I need to update my front-end library, front-end code, right? So this thing needs to be updated, right? Okay, let's push that. Okay, so this was now successfully uploaded, right? Obviously. So that's good, right? That's all fine, great. App bundles. We'll also need to validate some of the shit here. We're gonna do that in a moment. Oof, yeah, only one thing I'm actually wondering about though. Okay, yeah, we're gonna add the testers and stuff, but before we do that, right? Before we do that, I'm gonna go, that's what I learned at least today, I think. We're gonna go here to app signing. We're gonna go to app signing here, and then we need to use this SHA, and we need to put it in this file. Yeah, because this is exactly, and then I'm gonna go here again. We're gonna go over here and we're gonna update this fella, right? So this has to match the one in the app. So I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna push this again. Whatever. Okay, beautiful. Now what I'm actually going to do, I'm going to go to this other app. I'm going to go to internal testing. I'm going to go to testers. I'm going to hide my screen for a second, just so I don't expose everyone's emails here. And I'm just going to save them in Notepad, just so I can invite the guys to this app as well. Give me 2 seconds here. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, let's go back here. Programmer network PVA, beautiful. Internal testing, testers. Actually, I didn't have to do that. All good, all good. I can just reuse the testers, it seems, from other apps. Okay, great. Yeah, exactly. Okay. Is there anyone here who had access to testing that's still here that can try this out? I gave some of you access. I don't know if people are still around or you went to bed. Give me just 2 seconds before I give you the link. I'm waiting for this thing to finish. And then I think it should be fine. We have saved this key, so that's good. We have that now. Let's close that, close that, close that, close that, and that, and that, and that, and that, and that. Just waiting for this to deploy, and then I'm giving you the link. Here's the link. All right, should be deployed soon. Let me just see if there, while that's happening, did we have any errors past 3 years? Okay. What? What is this error? Are we still running in production? We are. Okay. Okay, those are this is something new. I haven't seen this client request fail. What is this? Fastify JVT. Did our API go down? Did it restart or something? Wait. No, it didn't. Okay. That's strange. All right, so this should be deployed now. So above, I think you can try now, most likely. I mean, you know, what I could actually do if I open that Android Studio, right? I guess I could use that to also test in that emulator, right? If I use the same link and I log in with my own email, right? So let's actually try that, right? So where is this emulation crap? How do I do that? What was it? There was, where was it? Yeah, it's over here. Okay. So let me just move this fella over here so you guys can see better. So let's use this thing. And I actually wanted to move this fella over here as well. Okay. So if I copy my Gmail password, then I suppose I log in through the emulator, right? And then copy this link that I just gave it to you, I should be able to test it, right? So let's go Chrome, yes. How do I log in? What is this crap, man? Like, yeah, exactly. No, no. The app, yes, I'm aware. I just need to log in here so I can. Well, that's the thing. I want to install the one that's actually, you know, I want to install the one from the App Store, actually, right? I want to exactly test that one and not the one that I have here, right? Give me 1 second. No, the thing is, I already tested the thing here, so that works. I literally want to go through this process installing it from the App Store. So you're absolutely right, right? It's just I don't wanna just drag the file. I wanna go and see what's actually there, right? So I wanna basically copy this file, right? So it's more that I don't wanna. How do I? Where's the fucking thing, man? How do I write the URL? Uh-huh. Exactly right. This is what I want. Accept invite. Because this is what I would get on my actual phone, right? Okay, come on. What's happening? I don't see anything actually. Aha, here it is. Here it is. Okay. Programmer network PVA. Exactly. Yes. Install. Okay. I don't know why it's so slow though. This application requires choose device. What does it mean, choose device? I want to install it on this device. Okay, never mind. That's not really working, is it? That's not really working, is it? Sorry, it has to be the APK. Yeah, the problem is that this doesn't have the verification files, right? And then it shows this crap, right? So that is, yeah. So I still can't test what I wanted because, yeah, this keeps failing with the saying that basically it's basically missing those assets, right? For some reason, it can't verify the shit, right? That's correct now, yes. Associate your app with a website domain, copy and paste the snippet into digital assets links JSON file. If you already have a non-empty JSON file, merge the snippet with the existing statements. Digital asset JSON is files required if you want to use Android app links. Where do I get this from? I forgot. Where do I get this SHA from? I guess I got it from this place, right? But then if I actually use the other one, the one that I actually added to the file, right? That should be fine. So actually it isn't fine. Programmer network TVA. No, it is. No, it is PVA. It's not TVA. This doesn't stand for Progressive Web App. But why? What? I swear to God, wait. That makes no sense. 1 second. Okay, well, that worked, right? I guess. So that works, right? So why is it Android Studio failing to understand that, right? That's why it's showing this thing in the top, right? Those controls, because it kind of, you know, when I installed it, it failed with those links missing, right? So that's a bit awkward, right? Yeah, super strange. So yeah, so we can see that it actually works properly, right? Yeah, and that's what we have pretty much already. Yep, that's correct. Abo, are you still there? So yeah, so you don't have that top bar, right? So you don't have it. So the thing is that is 100% related again to this linking stuff, right? So I think this is only now appearing basically on this emulator, because this emulator doesn't get some of this stuff. I have no other explanation, right? Because I think it should be fixed now, because we are in fact validating stuff now, and we are, you know, uploading this this links thing, right? Okay, okay, so great. So I think overall we're gonna round up now, and we're gonna continue tomorrow. I think I kind of got it. I'm gonna have to write a just quick document tomorrow, just with this thing, and then also just automate this so we don't have to use this PVI builder manually, right? And then I need to figure out how to push incremental changes and stuff, you know, because we are changing a lot of stuff on our web app. So I think the upcoming things that I have to learn here in relation to this is how frequent can we deploy the app, right? Because we every 2-3 days we do some feature or something, right? So it's going to be interesting to see how easily can we just release new versions, hopefully minor versions, right? So I hope that we can push, you know, 0.1, you know, 0.0.1, 0.0.2 and stuff like that, right? Every now and then. I guess that's not going to be a problem, I assume, right? Okay, great. So let's just, before we leave, let me just put this thing inside of our card here, there, just so we can store those links, we don't lose them. And this is actually fine. Beautiful. Okay, great. The thing is, let me just show you, just so it's clear why that thing is appearing, right? So if we go here, right? And if we go over here and we go here, right? So you can see here, let me just show you, right? So you can see here it says, note, digital asset links are required for your progressive web app on Android. If you're seeing a browser address bar in your app on Android, which is this thing here, or if your app is crashing on launch, it means your asset links JSON file is missing, inaccessible, or incorrect. See our asset links helper to fix this, right? So this thing is going to appear if this is not properly configured. In our case, actually it is now, so I suspect that this is really just this emulator failing, right? Because if I go to programmer network, well, I mean, let's see, it should be there. At least we can see that this verification, right? Ah, that's an actually very good point. Yeah, yeah, actually, fuck, you're absolutely right. It's just work, right? Well, not really, right? Let me tell you why, right? Because progressive web app caches files, right? And we can assume that once you wrap a progressive web app into this binary of some sort, right, that you are bundling the files, JavaScript file, CSS file, and all of the static assets at that time, right? So I don't think it works like that. It's not just rendering the website. I think it's also using the files, I guess, and I think it's a valid guess, right? Because otherwise it wouldn't be called progressive web app, right? Because it offers offline support, push notifications, caching, etc., 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 right? All right, fellas, let's go and sleep. It's 1 a.m. here. Everyone is already sleeping. What is to say? Thank you so much for your help. Ark, thank you so much for your help. Abo, and all of you guys, not to name you all, thank you very much for your help. I've certainly learned something new in relation to this. Yeah, let's just continue tomorrow. Thank you very much again for your efforts and to making this stream also more fun for me. And yeah, I need to go sleep now. My pleasure, guys. Play one game. My pleasure, man. Thank you for being here. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for your subs. Thank you for your support, for your follows, and all of that stuff. And I'll catch you guys up tomorrow evening. Have a great one. Enjoy yourselves. And I'll catch you guys up tomorrow. My pleasure, man. Likewise. Peace out. Have a great one, guys. Cheers. Bye bye. Have a good one.